Hi everybody. So today I just want to discuss about JSON Server. Actually, I wanted to build something, and for that I needed some fake data, which I tried finding online, but the related data I was not able to find. So I came across this plugin called JSON Data, and this is kind of cool. I'll just show you. If you go and search for JSON Server, and this is the package that will show up, and yeah, let's go to the GitHub page of it. Is pretty straightforward. You just have to install it globally by simply running npm install with the g flag, which is meant globally. I'll just show you. If you haven't installed it yet, you just copy this command, and you just paste it and run it. That will install the JSON server package globally. Once you've done that, you can actually create some folder. Here I have created a backend folder. Let me delete these files for now. I'll show you. Copy this data for later use. Yeah, I'll just create as per the documentation, we have to create a file called db.json. So we'll just create that db.json, and once you create this file, you will put it any data. Like, let's say here they have given some sample data, right? I just copied this data, I'll put it here, and once I've done that, that's it. You just run this server by JSON server watch command. What are the file name we have currently? Like, our file name is db.json, so I'm running it JSON server watch db.json, and you have to be in that particular directory before running this command. So if we run, now you can see, like, our data is hosted here in the local host. If you go here, and you can see all the posts, comments, and profile, which was our data. If you open posts, these are the posts, and come back, open comments. Basically this is giving us some JSON data. So in my case, I actually wanted some to do data. So I went on to ChatGPT and uh, prompted it to give me some random function which can give me an 100 to dos. So it gave me some sample data, and I ran it in the console, and it gave me some data. I'm just going to paste it here in place of here. So basically this is an array of data. This is not, we want it to be inside of to-dos. This should be it. I'll save it. Now if I go back, I think I have to restart the server. I shouldn't have restarted the server because it is already watching the fields, so reload should have worked fine. But anyway, so in order to show you that we don't need to kill the server and restart it, I'll just keep one to do. Don't need this command. Now since it is watching, it reloaded. Let me just reload. Yeah, I'll go back and paste all the data, reload it. So this comes with actually pretty good options here. So options like, one such option is like pagination, which I liked very much, because in my case I wanted pagination. So you can just pass these strings. There are other options also, like sort, slice, filter, all other things you can explore. This pagination thing is something I need. So since every page actually contains only limit 10, so we have to give it a limit of 10 that will display all the items of that page, and we can also specify the page number. So in page number 1 with a limit of 10, I'm getting the first 10 items. If I keep the limit as 3, I'll get only the first 3 items, and that's that. And other options, you can actually explore it here. This also comes with a config file. What we can do is actually, if we go down, the name of the config file here, they have mentioned. So yeah, coming here, we have this JSON server .json. So this, we are going to create this file, JSON server .json, and here there will be an object where we mention different things. So we can mention the port number here. Let's say currently our port is running on 3000. Let's say I want to run it on 5000. I'll save it. I think whenever I make changes here, since it is not watching this file, I have to restart the server, and I'll restart it. Now you can see like the port is running on 5000. If I refresh it here, it should not work because the port 3000 is closed now. So yeah, it is taking time. Yeah, and it is not working. But if I give it a 5000, it should work. Yeah, you can go into to dos and list all the to dos here. And another things are like there are different options you can go and explore. And again, like in my use case, I wanted some delay. I think the for the API to give the response. So it is delay, I guess. If I give it a delay of 2000 milliseconds, let's say. Now you can see like here the get request happened and it took some 27 milliseconds. Here it took 5 milliseconds, and that is 404. That is not we wanted. If I refresh it, okay, we made change to this file. Again, we need to close the server and restart it for the changes to take effect. Watching, okay. Again again I'll refresh this. Now you'll see like it took some time to refresh, and when we come here, it actually took 2009 milliseconds, that is nearly 2 seconds. So our delays also works. This helps us like to add a loader.